without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is you're one of one yourself, 'cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to share. I am adaptable, I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to share.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit I am rocking was sent to me by AliglossyHair. Shout out to you, AliGlossy, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. This is my first time working with this company, and honey, they definitely came through with the come through, so shout out to you, boo. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking is their 5x5 Glueless Body Wave Wig. I have it in 26 inches. It's in a chocolate brown color and it's 180% density. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the site and get some more details. Now on the site it says Aliglossy 180% density 4x4 or 5x5 pre-cut wear and go glueless chocolate brown body wave human hair wig. Now I am wearing this unit glueless, but I did decide to use my even mousse on it because that's just like my go-to right now. Okay, so it's still glueless. And it holds pretty firm, but it's easy to take off and it doesn't have as much mess as using different sprays and stuff. So I did do that, but you can obviously wear this unit glueless if you want. Now this wig is available in 16 to 30 inches, all being even numbers. It is a number 4 chocolate brown body wave hair, and if you guys don't know, I say this all the time in these type of videos, my natural hair color is a number 4. So my natural hair color was once upon a time this color. Now I done messed it up and it's like you can't go back. You can't go back to it. Once you died, it's like my natural hair color never came back, but this is my natural hair color, so this is like one of my favorite colors to wear. As I say, it's 180% density. It does come in HD transparent lace meltdown. Perfectly matches all skin tones. So it is transparent, HD transparent lace, and it comes in an average cap size. So an average cap size is like basically medium head friendly. In my opinion, this particular wig is more medium to large head friendly, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Now it doesn't have any combs whatsoever. It does have that band, and when wigs have that band, I feel like you can make it work across the board, but I feel like the unit in itself fits more of a medium to large head. But if you do have a smaller head, you can still make it work, in my opinion, honey. Okay, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any other things, but that's straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any other things, but straight out of the packaging, she did not. And yeah, as far as it being pre-tweezed, I felt like it was pre-tweezed nicely. If you want to tweeze it more, obviously you can, but in my opinion, I felt like it was tweezed nicely as is. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and my con is going to be that there ain't no combs. Girl, I need me a comb, okay? I needs me a comb. Everybody don't need a comb, but I needs me a comb, okay girl? So that is going to be my con. Now my pros are endless. First of all, it's beginner / lazy girl friendly because it definitely came pre-tweezed and it definitely came pre-cut. Now, it did not come pre-bleached. I wish it had, because honey, I definitely over-bleached old girl, and I had to use my little marker thing, my little pen that you guys know I use to correct some of that. But it did come pre-tweezed and pre-cut. So I love that for me, and I feel like that makes it super lazy girl friendly. And you can just use powder, honey, if you're uncomfortable with bleaching or if you over bleach like you good do. I also love this color, and I love a good body wave, and the hair is extremely soft. So those are all my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit. Despite the fact that it doesn't have any combs, it's still a super cute unit. Like that's just my personal con. Some people don't even like combs, so it's a personal con, but it may not be a con for you. So I would definitely recommend this unit. And I was looking on their site, honey, and they got some pretty wigs in there. Okay, so check out their other wigs as well. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Aliglossy, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. I hope your sneeze ain't
completely got every style and we